Welcome to Ammosmith.com. During this period of instruction, I'm going to teach you how to deburr the inside and outside of the pistol brass that you had just trimmed. This is an important process and will make bullet seating much easier. The equipment needed is 1. Your full-length, resized, deprimed, and trimmed pistol brass. You will need a deburring tool. During the trimming process, a burr will form on the outside and inside edge of the mouth of the case. It will make the case almost perfectly square on the mouth. You want to remove the burr on the outside and bevel the inside of the case. What this does is allows for easier seating without shaving the bullet, and it will allow for more uniform crimp when applying a taper crimp or roll crimp to the cartridge. The procedure goes like this. First, with mild pressure, go through the inside mouth of the case. You should only remove the most minimal amount as necessary in order to achieve this. Deburr the outside. If you run your fingers up the length of the case, you may feel a burr. Sometimes the burr is thicker on one side than on the other. In that case, keep turning until that burr is removed. This goes very fast. As you notice, I had just deburred the outside, but I still feel a burr. Keep using the outside chamfer portion in order to remove that. The case should not be over deburred or into the point where the edge of the case comes to a point. This will cause a weak spot at the mouth of the case and can cause the case to split under firing. You do not want to overwork your brass. Reloading is about saving money. If you ruin your brass, you're losing money. Once you're done deburring and chamfering all of your brass, you're ready to go to the next step in the reloading process of the handgun cartridge.